Good day. Thank you all for the invitation. To the sponsors of this event and all the actors involved in deploying it, thank you for having me. I am Joaquin Caraballo. I'm connecting you from Colombia in South America. I lead an organization that facilitates the appropriation of the benefits of circular economy around Latin America. I also have a responsibility as a National Planning Council member from the environmental sector. This way, I lead several issues around public policy regarding environmental commitments. As well as this role, I also run as a member of the biggest environmental NGO in Colombia called Fundación Natura and other NGOs in which I also take part as a board member. And as I wanted to share with you, circular economy is my main focus. And in Colombia, we have achieved really good stuff. Not only addressing what the region is talking about, as you see, by 2025, we have already several countries that have adopted a circular economy strategy. So this run has made also an important effort around SDGs. As all of you remember, we understand sustainable consumption and production as circular economy. This is why the framework of SDGs is still something that we need to look upon to assure circular economy can be deployed. So SDG 12, one of our main goals as society. Colombia has a really nice advantage above other countries in the region. We have developed a strong regulatory framework that has taken quite a lot of time to get assembled. Just be aware that Colombia was the first country to have a natural resources code, law code. This means that we already have enough capacity around norms that regulate our relationship with the environment. We also had the first Ministry of Environment in Latin America in 1993. As I show you in this image, you can see that we have developed quite enough regulations around circular economy, especially the national strategy that was launched in 2018 in the last government and has already achieved quite a lot in the country. And after this strategy, we have set up so many regulations that end up in things such as single-use plastics law. So Colombia is quite aware of the importance of circular economy. There's a strategy, and we have seen regulations advance and mature along the time. This is how we see it. For everyone, might be something that is common, common language. But I just want to insist in three factors. Circular economy is a matter of innovation. We can't expect different results if we keep doing the same things. The other two issues is that we come from a model that loses value the whole time. This linear model of extract, produce, and waste is the model that's not working anymore. So we want to assure that this regenerative approach, that is circular economy, enables growth, separating it from the environmental impacts. So we have achieved quite a lot from our perspective here in Colombia and for the region. We have worked with the biggest beverage company in the world, that is API InBev, in measuring circularity of their products. We have also advanced with companies such as L'Oreal, turning beauty salons circular, and it has gone operational after a pilot in which they own beauty salons take advantage of what it is created to be more efficient and address environmental goals within their operations. We also have developed an innovation toolkit for packaging. This is the first one in Latin America, and big companies are running it so they can standardize innovation process around packaging. We have developed new value chains, for example. In this case, the serum bag that we use in hospitals is turning into, as you see right here, into shoes soles. This means that we are now creating from a waste an opportunity and an added value product that is also used within the same industry in hospitals. So the serum bag that goes through the hospitals gets back and transformed into soles of shoes. We also have developed, for companies such as Baxter, international guidelines assuring the manufacturing facilities commit to zero waste or commit to addressing sustainable development through circular economy principles and guidelines. This is globally. We also have done things as this case. We are turning hotel rooms into circularity examples, living scenarios of circularity. We have run a piloting with hotels, and now this is expanding increasingly with several hotels. So it's just about guidelines, and afterwards they can get in quite a lot of traction to assure circularity. So this is part of what we do. Not only we work under the policy perspective, but we also turn opportunities and waste into a new source of revenue, new business models. It's not been easy, but it's quite a ride, and for sure has produced all the benefits and the good possibilities that circular economy can bring. So thank you very much. This is a hello from Colombia, and hope you are enjoying the event.